Okay, so first I'm making this hot dog way. Like that. Then you fold this corner. Like that. Then you do it the same with the other corner. So it looks like that. Then you get this and you fold it over to the middle. Like that. Then you do the same to the other side. So it looks like that. Turn it over and you go like that and fold it so it looks like that. Then you fold this whole side down. Like that. Like that. Do the same with the other side. And it will look like this. It is good. Woo!
Peanut butter. Peanut butter.